Have you ever stopped to think that everything that exists, planets, galaxies, stars, and even time, might be trapped inside something much larger? What if our entire universe is actually the interior of a black hole?
Sounds like science fiction, right? But this hypothesis has been studied by physicists for decades. Today you will understand why some physicists believe we could be living inside a giant black hole.
Cosmic Mysteries.
But to visit the center of the universe, we need a ship of imagination. I present to you Hela. We are right in front of a black hole. There it is, distorting the space around it, as if it had its own universe being pulled inside. That glow around the accretion disk, gas, dust spinning at absurd speeds, about to disappear, beautiful and dangerous.
It is a region of space where gravity is so intense that nothing escapes, not even light. The boundary of this region is called the event horizon. Once something crosses this boundary, there is no return. But here comes the most surprising part. Some physicists believe that the Big Bang, the moment when the universe emerged, may have been the result of a gravitational collapse within another universe.
In other words, our universe would be the interior of a black hole, which was born inside another much larger universe. That is, what we call the Big Bang may have actually been the other side of a giant black hole. When
a very massive star collapses, it creates a black hole. Inside it, there is what we call a singularity, a point of infinite density. The theory says that at this point, space-time could reconnect and give rise to a new universe, as if each black hole were the birth of another cosmos.
So, think about it. Each black hole that exists in the universe out there may contain another universe expanding inside it. And perhaps within these universes there are more black holes, meaning an infinite cycle of universes within other universes.
The physicist Nikodem Popławski from the University of New Haven is one of the main proponents of this hypothesis. According to him, the interior of a black hole could expand like our universe without those outside noticing. From the outside, the black hole would appear as a static sphere. From the inside, the inhabitants, like us, would see a cosmic expansion, exactly like what we observe today.
Without needing to imagine an explosion coming from nothing. It would be a natural result of a gravitational collapse within the universe. In other words, our birth may have been the death of another star.
Amazingly, some phenomena in our universe closely resemble the behavior of a black hole. For example, the universe has an observable horizon, a boundary beyond which we cannot see anything. Sound familiar? It's almost like the event horizon.
And moreover, within our universe, time seems to behave in a way very similar to what relativity predicts inside a black hole. At the center, the singularity, time practically stops. In our universe, time also seems to slow down in the denser and more massive regions.
Moreover, the universe seems to have a critical density. If it were slightly greater, it would collapse. If it were slightly smaller, it would disperse. And guess what? This is the same characteristic of a stable black hole.
If we are inside a black hole, that changes everything. It means that our universe is part of an infinite chain of realities, each one being born within another. And who knows, our own universe might one day generate other universes inside other black holes.
This idea makes us rethink what infinity is, time, and even the very origin of life. Maybe we are never outside of anything, but always inside something bigger. If this theory is true, the entire universe we know, everything you love, dream, and imagine, is just the interior of a black hole born from another universe. And perhaps, within us, others are being born.
Now, you tell me, do believe we are living inside a black hole? Or do you think this is just another crazy theory of modern physics? And of course, Kupiri, subscribe to the channel, leave your like, share this video because we will delve deeper into this mystery.